I'm Lucinda, I'm a grandmaster in the science of numerology. This is a sweet science that's been around for over 4,000 years. And now, I want to offer you a very special gift, your own numerology chart. I'll give you all the details at the end of this video. Congratulations! Numerology is any belief in the divine, mystical relationship between a number and one or more coinciding events. It is also the study of the numerical value of the letters in words, names and ideas. It is often associated with the paranormal, alongside astrology and similar divinatory arts. Despite the long history of numerological ideas, the word numerology is not recorded in English before circa 1907. The term numerologist can be used for those who place faith in numerical patterns and draw pseudo-scientific inferences from them, even if those people do not practice traditional numerology. For example, in his 1997 book Numerology, or What Pythagoras Wrought, mathematician Underwood Dudley uses the term to discuss practitioners of the Elliott wave principle of stock market analysis. Currently, practitioners use the science of numerology to guide them through decisions from everyday, ordinary options, to life-changing paths to the future. Now it's your turn. Welcome to the science of numerology. Can't think of a better introduction than giving you your own carefully crafted numerology chart. Just look down below this video, and you'll find a link to your free chart. I know you will enjoy it for years to come. So scroll down and click the link below now.